So I'm turning it on. I will connect the power supply. We'll just take some time to boot the RPI4. Basically you can use the emulator as well, but I like to play with my hardware, so I have taken the RPI4 instead of going with the emulator. Okay, so this is the booting screen. This is the boot animation. We can change the boot animation as well. I will show you how exactly to change the boot animation and all. So this is the interface. Okay, see, so we will be using this car interface, and I will this is how you boot the AOSP 14 car image on the RPI4. Okay, so basically on this RPI4 AOSP 14 image you can navigate with different applications that are present, like camera. You have to give the support for the camera. Then there are files, right? Yeah, and it has the applications support for the hardwares like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and networks. See, so you can play close to the hardware also.